Video, I'm going to teach you how to take notes and assign tasks in Zoom using Asana. Hi everyone! Today, I'll walk you through connecting Zoom with Asana using the Asana app's integration, and then show you how to turn your meeting notes into clear, assigned tasks so follow-ups never slip through the cracks. Start in Asana on your desktop. Open the project where you manage meeting follow-ups, click Customize in the top right, and open the Apps section. This is where Asana lets you add integrations that live inside your project. Search for Zoom in the Apps panel and choose Add to Project. This connects your Asana project to Zoom, so you can link meeting information directly to the work your team is doing. A Zoom authorization window will appear. Sign in to your Zoom account and allow the requested permissions. Granting access enables Asana to store Zoom links and references with your tasks. If you use a work account, make sure you have permission to connect apps in your workspace. Run your Zoom meeting as you normally would. Start or join the call and capture notes in the place you prefer. Zoom Notes, a simple notepad, or any note app. The integration does not automatically transcribe or generate notes for you, so think of it as the bridge between your meeting and your action items. After the meeting, switch back to Asana in the same project. Click Add Task. Use a concise summary from your notes as the task name. For example, follow up on client feedback from Zoom call. Paste the relevant details from your notes into the task description so context is captured in one place. Add a due date to set expectations, and assign the task to the person responsible so ownership is clear. If you have a meeting recording or calendar link, paste the Zoom link into the description or attach it to the task. That way, anyone who needs to revisit the conversation can jump straight to it. A quick recap of what's important. The Asana Zoom integration links meetings to tasks. It does not create tasks from your audio or text automatically. You still capture notes yourself or use Zoom's own recording features, and then you create well-scoped tasks in Asana using those notes and the meeting link. And that's how you integrate Zoom with Asana to take notes and assign tasks based on your meetings. Connect the app once, then turn your notes into actionable assigned task cards so nothing gets missed. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.